Okay, you ready to open up the 5 eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you want to start with the Play-Doh egg?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Look at how awesome this Play-Doh is, like a greenish blue color. I love that color. There you go. And it's a purple egg. Who do we have inside? It's Applejack. Hi, Applejack. Okay, look. Now this one's in Play-Doh. You ready to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. It's a pink egg. And who is inside? It's Rainbow Dash. Look. And now it's this one in the Play-Doh. What color is inside? Do you know what color is inside?
Yeah.
Let's see. Purple. Who's in this one? It's Twilight Sparkle. Okay, now this one. Ready? Oh, go ahead, help Mommy peel it. Wow, the orange egg. Go ahead, open it. Open it. Wow, who's this? Let me see. Oh, Sugar Grape. Hi, Sugar Grape.
It's standing on the Play-Doh.
Okay, we have one more. It's the yellow egg. And who do we have here?
A carpet.
Lemon hearts. And look, do you notice anything about lemon hearts? Her nails are painted. Look at that. Oh, so cute. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching our video. See you soon. Bye.